In my dream, children sing a song of love for every boy and girl. The sky is blue and fields are green, and laughter is the language of the world. Then I wake and all I see is a world full of people in need. Tell me why does it have to be like this? Tell me why. Is there something I have missed? Tell me why. 'Cause I don't understand when so many need somebody. We don't give a helping hand. Tell me why. Every day I ask myself, what will I have to do to be a man? Do I have to stand and fight to prove to everybody who I am? Is that what my life is for? To waste in a world full of war? Tell me why.
I'm not black, and I don't know how it feels, but being judged by your color, man, it shouldn't be real. We are human. Why we act like we not? I can't fight for my rights. There's a chance I'll get shot. I'm not black, but I stand by the side. Imagine living your life being scared of outside. Don't wear a wife beater, don't carry no chain, don't hang with your friends cause you might feel the pain. I'm not black, but the system's corrupt. Make America great, made America suck. And our own president's calling people the thugs. Our silence is betrayal, so we gotta speak up. I'm not black, but I do feel the space between my brothers and my sisters, and it's cause of a race. And America's supposed to be the land of the great, with some greatness and pointing a gun in our face. I'm not black.